we are at the 2025 CES conference, and the first advertisement when you walk in is for self-driving vehicles.
Big tech gathers every January in Las Vegas at the Consumer Electronics Show. But in the transportation sector, much of this technology could hurt TWU members and the traveling public. While thousands of attendees were there to gawk and celebrate autonomous transportation, the TWU was there with a different idea.
We're just now entering this Consumer Electronic Conference, but the first thing we see is a fully automated driverless vehicle that we're to believe is good for society. But this technology is horrific, and the design here is to eliminate human beings out of the workplace. It's designed to kill our jobs.
The threat from technology is clear. From an autonomous bus pilot program in Philadelphia to a fully autonomous public bus in Scotland, tech companies are seeking to make transportation workers obsolete.
Accidents involving autonomous vehicles have happened.
Ain't nobody in it. This is crazy.
And in San Francisco, this driverless car sped off after it was pulled over by police. In February, American safety officials pushed Tesla to recall more than 360,000 full self-driving cars because of unsafe driving and road violations.
The technology should be applied properly. It should be applied to safety. It should not be a way to eliminate jobs.
We're just going to continue to fight and fight and fight to save these jobs and keep them going.
We work across the labor movement and fight for contract language that protects jobs and prevents the bosses, transit agencies, or the government from replacing human workers with risky technology.
Agencies are not going to cooperate with you. They don't like to look at you as partners. They want to just say, this is what we're doing, take it or leave it. And the best way, honestly, that you can combat that is through your bargaining process.
And that's exactly what we did in Columbus, Ohio.
The Democratic mayor of Columbus and the Republican governor decided that they were going to combine forces, Republican and Democrat, control our operators off the buses. And they thought that they were going to have automation by 2025. We freaking went, organized a strike, and we're going to shut Columbus down, and they broke, and we beat them.
The TWU and Local 208 successfully fought for contract language that gives the local the right to refuse technology changes like autonomous buses that could kill jobs. The language was the first of its kind in the transit sector and will be used as a model for future negotiations nationwide.
We got the language in the contract that says if the company wants to bring any automation into the city, they have to get the union's approval before they can even think about doing that.
No, where a bus is nothing without us.
The threat isn't just for transit workers. The TWU's aircraft maintenance technicians are also feeling the pressure.
If the yield is not big enough for everybody to make the money that they need to make and the stockholders, then they'll stretch it a little bit more. And they're going to stretch it with this AI technology until they feel like they've gone too far, then they'll back up a little bit and hope that nobody dies.
The TWU has a dedicated tech program that aims to educate members, TWU leaders, and the general public about the dangers of AI and automation. Our government affairs team is also working hard to ensure that new regulations are benefiting our members.
I don't think AI is going anywhere. So I think we have to find a way to be at the table and make sure that we could use AI to protect our members. At the same time, technology is not going anywhere. We all have iPhones that we didn't have 20 years ago. We all have, technology is coming and it keeps coming. So I think that we need to be at the table of how to create jobs, how to maintain jobs alongside with artificial intelligence and whatever other technology is coming.
In some instances, the TWU has successfully improved pay and working conditions for members responsible for dealing with new tech. In Miami, Local 291 members are now responsible for maintaining buses with massive batteries that have the same voltage as New York subway.
So what we have in our contract now currently, it allows these technicians to get premium pay to work on these buses. Safety-wise, they get full safety equipment. Our contract covers them in every single way. We're working with International now to get a component put into our contract that will protect our employees going further with any type of new innovations, new technology.
So it's important that, we get these things negotiated into the CBA that allows our folks to get trained and also allows that we don't lose, mechanics and technicians with this new technology.
But not all cities are like Miami. The TWU has fought efforts to reduce headcount in New York through the use of electric buses. And technology will be a major factor in upcoming contract fights.
This MTA, if they want electric buses, they want electric buses to reduce headcount, to attack the bus mechanic titles, and reduce headcount, and therefore save some money on a budget.
It's not just about automation, so for the maintenance department, of course, it's a technology thing. And we have to stay ahead of the curve when it comes to the technology. It's just what we have to do. When we have language, we're already in negotiation, we've already started it. I mean, we've been out in front of this quite a while, and we're going to go into the contract and that fight, and it's about technology. Because if you're not educating the membership with technology, you're going to fall behind the curve.
We've seen autonomous vehicles lost and out of control. And what's more, no one has yet to invent a robot that can do what a human can do when the unexpected happens.
Time after time after time, we see, read about, hear about instances where an operator has done something heroic, rescued a lost child, helped to deliver a baby. Computers are just not going to be able to do that. They might be able to make lefts and make rights if they can do that, but they cannot do what human beings do.
If we have the audacity to fight, we can beat back the technology. There's no reason to despair. Don't despair, just organize and have the audacity to fight. TWU, America's Fight Back Union.